Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about a test engineer salary in TCS. I'll be discussing about both manual testing salary plus automation testing salary in this video. Whatever the information which I have shared in this video is all the information which is available in the public domain. With this information, we will have a clear idea what could be the salary in a given organization like TCS. The person with having 1 years of experience, his salary would be starting anywhere from 2.8 lakhs with an average of 3 lakhs per year, and maximum it can go up to 4 lakhs. Again, based on the colleges, based on the city, based on the various factors, the salary range will be decided. For 2 years of experience, the salary can be ranged from anywhere from 3.3 lakhs to average of 4 lakhs, and it can go up to 5 lakhs per annum. For a 3 years of experienced person, the salary can range from 3.5 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs, and maximum is 5.5 lakhs. Then for a senior manual tester with 4 years of experience, he may get anywhere from 4 lakhs to average of 4.9 lakhs and anywhere maximum up to 6.5 lakhs. Then also for 5 years of experience, the salary can range from anywhere between 4.3 lakhs to 5 lakhs and maximum of 7 lakhs he can get it. And for the experience of 6 years, he can get anywhere from 4.5 lakhs to average of 5.3 lakhs and maximum up to 8 lakhs. If the person is having a automation testing experience, how much salary he will be getting if he is having 1 years of experience. If he is 1 years of experience, he may get it anywhere between 2.8 lakhs to maximum of 4.5 lakhs with an average of 3.5 lakhs per annum. And with the given 2 years of experience, he may get anywhere between 3 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs and maximum up to 5.5 lakhs he can get with the 2 years of experience. And with the 3 years of experience, he can get anywhere between 3.5 lakhs to maximum of 6.5 lakhs with an average salary of 5 lakhs with the various different ranges. Then with the 4 years of experience, resource may get it from 4.2 lakhs to maximum of 7.5 lakhs with the average of 5.3 lakhs. Then the person is having 5 years of experience, he may get it anywhere between 4.5 lakhs to 8 lakhs with an average median of 5 lakhs. And we have 6 years of experience. For the 6 years of experience, we may get anywhere between 4.9 lakhs to 9 lakhs with a median of 5.5 lakhs. And person is having a maximum of 7 years of experience in senior automation testing, then he may get anywhere between 5 to 10 lakhs with an average of 6.2 lakhs. A senior automation test engineer. I am hoping at least you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video.